Are you ready to make $2,000 a month? With the help of AI and Canva, you can generate quality English learning videos in less than 30 minutes and generate passive income. I have 5 YouTube channels and only 2 of them are monetized. One of them is my channel that teaches English. Not many people are aware of this niche, so it is less saturated. I searched for how to make English learning videos, but nothing came up, so I will show you how to do that today.
These are the kind of videos I am talking about. As you can see, this video was uploaded 10 months ago and already has almost 2 million views. This video was uploaded 6 months ago and already has 2.3 million views. The RPM for videos like this is usually around $2 to $10. So a video with 2.3 million views will make $4,600 to $18,400. And getting high views in this niche is super easy because it is not saturated. This is a sample of the video. You can make it in different forms. This one is in the form of a quiz on action verbs. And this one is on action verbs. A lot of English learners watch these videos to learn new verbs. Although there are a lot of topics you can make videos on, but today we will be focusing on action verbs and action verb quizzes.
Cook.
And generate the audio for free using AI. Before I start, if you are interested in watching more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. The first stage is to generate the action verbs using ChatGPT. This is the prompt I used. I will leave it in the description. For the sake of this video, I will be making just 10 action verbs. Open the Canva app and click on YouTube to start a new design. Then click on Elements on the left side of the screen and type Frame. Select a frame and adjust the size. Click here to make the frame a bit round. Adjust the size of the frame, then click on Text on the left and click on Add a text box. Type in your first action verb here, or you can type in any word if you will be using bulk create. Move the text to the right side of the design. Change the font and increase the size. For this video, I use the font Gogglin and font size 80. Click on the text and click on Animation to add animation. For this video, I use the Yo Pop animation for the text and the frame. It looks like this. Make sure the video is 5 seconds long. Click on Bulk Create. Enter data manually and click on Clear Table at the bottom left. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the action verbs. Paste it in this table and click on Done. The last step is to connect the data. Click on the text and right-click, click on Connect Data, click on the text shown. Now click on Generate Design. Your design will load in a new tab. The final step here is to search for a video on each action verb in the element and add it. Go to the element and in the search bar type EAT. Make sure you are viewing the search results under video and select the video you like. To put it in the frame, click on it and drag it into the frame. Let's play it. Goody! So, now we will repeat this step for every action verb. Just search for the video and put it in the frame. That's all. Please note that you will have to adjust the length of the video because the length automatically changes to the length of the video added to the frame. So you have to adjust everything back to 5 seconds. If you click on a video and you don't like it, just tap on Delete on your keyboard. I will speed up the rest of this part. You can slow down the speed if you want to watch it. If you have any questions about the process or face any difficulty, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be glad to answer your questions. Now let's watch it. As you can see, the only thing missing is the audio. That brings us to the final stage, audio generation. I will have to download this video first and upload it on CapCut in order to generate audio for free on CapCut. To download the video, click on Share at the top right, then click on Download. Make sure you select the right quality. Now, the last stage is to generate the audio. Open CapCut, click on Create Project, click on Import Video and import the video. Click on the plus sign on the bottom right to add it to the timeline. Now click on Text, add text and click on the plus sign at the bottom right to add it to the timeline. Type the first action verb and click on Text to Speech at the top right. For this video, I want to use a male and female voice, so the text will be repeated twice. For the male voice, I used British male, And for the female voice, I used Paw Talk and Peaceful Female. You can drag the audio to make it start from a certain point.
Eat.
Once you generate the audio, you can move the text timeline and edit it. The audio will be generated at the point where you add the text, so you don't have to keep adding text to the timeline. After generating the text, keep editing and dragging it till the end.
Eat.
I will do this for all the action verbs. Make sure there is enough space between the two voices and before the next video. I will speed up the video. Slow it down if you want to watch it closely. You can re-watch this video if you don't understand any part of this video to make you understand it better. Now we are done. Let's play the final video.
Eat.
Eat.
Drink.
Drink.
Walk.
Walk.
Run.
Run.
Cook.
Cook.
Brush.
Brush.
Write.
Write.
Drive.
Drive.
Shop.
Shop.
To download the video, click on Export on the top right. If you learned something in this video, hit the like button. To see more contents like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I promise to show you an easy way to create the video if you don't use Canva Pro. Just click here and select Duplicate, edit the text, and do this for all the action verbs. If you are interested in legit, make money online tutorials, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.